Hey, me lovelies. This is me, the Now Nikki Diaries. So, I've just got to Grove Park in South London. I'm killing two birds with one stone. After having a lovely Friday with my boo. And then I went and saw my cousin and my godsons for the last 2.5 hours. I've been at hers and now I've come to cemetery. Why? Come to see my nan. I've not been here for ages, good few years. So I thought, hello Nick, your cousin Claire just lives up the road, literally less than 10 minutes on the bus. So come and see Nan, you know. And thank God it's not been raining, so it should be dry on the grass. Though I've got my cousin to lend me 2 bags so I can cover my shoes just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna go and see my nana and spend a little quality time with her for a short while and head back to West. It's been a little while since I've been here, but I'm sure I do remember where to go. And I always pass my friend Marlon Wallace, first person from my, I think, early 20s, yeah, to know of who died. That was a big thing, mate. Yeah. So, oh, here he is, Marlon. This is Marlon. Handsome Marlon Wallace. 2003 he died. Like wow. I remember it like yesterday. Even that I have in my diaries. My 2003 diary. I have him in it. Yeah. So let's walk and see where Nan is. R.I.P. to all that are laid to rest here in Grove Park Cemetery. Oh, there's Nan's. I can see it. She's got a beauty. I have to say, they did choose a beautiful plaque for her. She's a class. But can you see my Nan's? I'm gonna walk over. You see, I don't want my lovely boots to get any mud on it, so I'm just covering them up. Hey Nan! Everyone, this is where my Nan, Hazel, is buried. She died on my birthday back in 2012. Hey Nan. So I was gonna buy some real flowers, but then I saw these lovely ones. So yeah, so I saw these makeshift flowers instead. So I thought I'd get those. Let me remove these old ones. I pray to God, God, make sure no one removes these from my nan's grave, please. I think they're rather pretty, aren't they? So you've got some makeshift flowers, Nan, but these ones will remain fresh and beautiful like this forever. So yeah, let me have a little quality time with my nan right about now, and yeah, we'll head back to West London, and let's see when I get home what I wrote in my diary 20 years ago today. I got on the 284, got off in Lewisham, and I'm walking through Lewisham Shopping Centre, which I haven't been through in years. Bringing back old school South East London Day memories, mate. Nikki Diaries 20-year throwback, age 23, and the date would have been Tuesday the 9th of November 2004, and it's titled Driving Test Today, and it reads: failed fucking test due to same Ross driver. So as you can clearly read, I was not impressed.com. Thank you for watching, for the love and support. And if you haven't already, subscribe.